Year 6 students, how are you today? For today, we're gonna enter Unit 1, Reading, A Window to the World, Part 2. Okay, for today, we're gonna enter the reading section. There are two stories we're gonna hear today. Number 1, The Night of the Night. The Night of the Night. Night with K here means Satria, and night over here means malam. Although the sound is the same, but it has different meaning. And story number 2, The Scarecrow. What is the Scarecrow? The Scarecrow is a doll or a figure that has been placed at the middle of the farm to scare the birds away. Dia digunakan untuk menakutkan burung-burung yang memakan tanaman peladang. Okay, we will enter the first story, The Night of the Night. Before we start, I would like you to open your textbook, Year 6, and turn to page 4. Okay, we're gonna start the story. We read together. Okay, don't do anything yet. We gonna read the story first before we do anything. Okay, let's go. In the country of peace, all the children would go to sleep at night. Only when the night of the night flew over their houses and sang melodious lullabies to them. Pada satu tempat bernama Peace, semua kanak-kanak akan masuk tidur pada waktu malam hanya apabila satria malam terbang di atas rumah mereka dan menyanyikan lagu untuk mereka. One Saturday night, pada satu Sabtu malam, none of the children went to sleep. Tiada kanak-kanak yang masuk tidur pun, because the night of the night was late. Dia lewat. All the mothers were angry and started to complain about the delay. Mak-mak ni marahlah dan komplain sebab lewat. Finally, one of the mothers went to meet him. Akhirnya salah satu mak ni jumpalah dia. The night of the night apologized and said, I'm sorry, I was very busy. Saya minta maaf, saya sangat sibuk. I was cleaning the whole day. Keseluruhan hari ni saya asyik membersihkan je. I still have a lot to do tonight. Banyak lagi saya kena buat malam ni. Tomorrow is Sunday, a holiday. Esok Ahad, cuti. And everything has to look clean, tidy and pretty. Semuanya harus kelihatan bersih, kemas dan cantik. The mother asked, mak ni pun tanyalah, What do you have to do? Awak kena buat apa? Okay. Then the night of the night answer, I have to put the sun to sleep. Saya kena tidurkan matahari. And wake the moon up. Bangunkan bulan. Said night of the night. Kata satria malam itu. After that, I have to go to the gardens. Saya kena ke taman. And check whether the wind has blown the dust off the grass and the flower. Sama ada angin tu dah tiupkan belum habuk daripada rumput dan bunga. Then I have to go up to the sky, bring down the stars and make them shiny and bright. Saya perlu turunkan bintang dan membuatkan mereka bersinar dan terang, and put them back in their place. The surprised mother said, You can't put the sun to sleep. Kamu tak boleh tidurkan matahari, wake the moon up ataupun bangunkan bulan, or bring down the stars ataupun turunkan bintang. The night of the night was angry on hearing this. Satria malam pun marahlah. He said, I know what I'm doing. Aku tahulah apa yang aku buat. The mother was so confused. Mak dia pun heran. Mak dia pun keliru. She wanted to write a report. Dia nak tulis satu laporan. Because she was right. Dia rasa dia betul. When she peeped, dia intai through the window, she saw the children were already fast asleep. Kanak-kanak tu telah pun tidur. She did not want to argue. Dia tak nak bergaduh lah with the night of the night, dengan Satria malam. So she went home. Dia balik rumah. She never found out if the night of the night was actually telling the truth. Dia pun tak tahu betul ke night of the night ni cakap benar ataupun salah. Okay, look at here. There are a few words I put in the red boxes. Ada beberapa perkataan yang saya letakkan di dalam kotak merah. Okay. For these boxes, untuk kotak-kotak ini, I need you to open up your vocabulary book. Kamu keluarkan buku vocabulary, buku latihan kamu. If you have your vocabulary book from the last year, just continue with it. Sambung saja. Kalau ada yang tahun lepas, tak perlu membazir. You do not have to waste your book. Okay? We look one by one of the words. First, night. Night with K. Look at here. Ada K di sini. Not night yang malam itu, night with K. Okay, warrior and soldier. Kesatria. Next, flew. This is the past tense word. Perkataan past tense. So, the present tense is fly, terbang. Okay. Lullabies, song for children to sleep. Dia lagu untuk mendodoikan kanak-kanak. Next, none, nothing, empty ataupun kosong, tiada. Delay, in other words, postpone, late, tangguh atau lewat. Okay, we can say we have to delay the flight. Kita perlu tangguhkan penerbangan ini. Next, apologize, say sorry, minta maaf. Next, whole, everything, all, seluruh, semua. Argue, okay, involved in an arguments, perselisihan pendapat. Copy, you have to copy this in your books. But before you copy, make sure you write the day. If today is Wednesday, write the day Wednesday. Then next, you have to write the date. Okay. Then turn to page 4. Still in page 4, masih di page 4. Look at under the passage. Tengok di bawah kotak itu, kotak yang cerita itu. You have to answer the questions. I will guide you. Saya akan bimbing awak, and you have to find the answer for yourself. Okay, question number 1. What does the night of the night do every night? Apa yang pahlawan malam ni buat setiap hari? So where do we want to start? If what, it means you have to give the statement. Awak kena bagi pernyataan di sini. Okay, so where do we want to start? We start with the night of the night. When we start with the T here, we have to change to upper letter words. Okay, perlu tukar kepada huruf besar. The night of the night. Okay, apa yang dia buat setiap malam? Them. Okay, saya bagi, I give the clue, it ends with them. Okay, you can find them in the passage. Number 2, why? Why? Mengapa? Were the mothers angry? Kenapa mak-mak ni marah? The mothers were angry because, kerana. Remember, when we have why, the answer must have because. Apabila dia ada mengapa, dia kena ada because, kerana. Okay, we start with the. The mother were angry because. Okay, cari jawapan dia. Okay, you have to answer this in your book. Okay, in your other book. Okay, before this you have to use the vocabulary book. This is your another book. Okay, next. Do you think the sun sleeps Why? Okay, although this is a question, but it has two section. Okay, dia ada dua bahagian. Do you think the sun sleep? Adakah awak fikir matahari tidur? Why? Mengapa? If the question start with do, you have to answer yes or no. Jawapan awak perlu bermula dengan ya atau tidak. Kalau dia bermula dengan do, adakah? Why? Mengapa? Remember, when I said why, you have to put because. Kalau ada why, kena ada because, kerana. Okay, do you think the sun sleeps? Adakah awak fikir matahari tidur? Kalau yes, katalah yes. Kalau awak tak setuju, katalah no. Because, kerana apa? Okay, give your reason. Next, 3B. Okay, sorry, this should be 3B, not 3A. Where would the moon be during the day? Where? Di mana? So, we start with the moon. The moon. Kita ambil the moon. Will be. Okay, when the question start with where, apabila dimulai dengan where, awak perlu letak preposition in here. Kedudukan. Where, di mana. In, dalam. On, di atas. At, di. Okay, so kalau ada where, kena ada ni. Ini salah satu preposition lah. Among the three preposition that widely used. Okay. The moon will be at di mana. So, you answer the question. Waktu siang dia berada di mana. Okay. Number 4. The pattern is the same with the 3A. Okay. Did the mother write the report? Adakah mak itu tulis report? Yang tadi do tu present, did ni past. Okay, so yes or no. Okay, bergantung atas jawapan awak. Why? And if it has why, you must put because. Okay, adakah mak itu tulis report? Yes, yeah. Because, kerana apa? No, tidak. Because, kerana apa? Answer this in your book. Okay, we go to the second story, the scarecrow. Okay, you turn your textbook on page 5. Buka muka surat 5. Okay, don't do anything yet. We read together. Okay. Pak Johan owned. Okay, before we continue, look at here. There are blue writing over here. Ada beberapa perkataan, a few words that written in blue bold writing. Okay, sorry, blue bold typing. Okay, di type menggunakan tulisan warna biru. This one is used for your next assignment. Okay, untuk tugasan awak yang lepas ni. Perkataan yang digunakan untuk yang ditulis warna biru ni akan digunakan untuk tugasan selepas ini. But we read the stories first. Pak Johan owned an organic vegetable farm. Okay, Pak Johan ni dia ada ladang sayur-sayuran. He was able to grow good organic greens because of his scarecrow. Dia boleh menumbuhkan sayur-sayuran yang bagus sebab scarecrow dia ni. Patung yang digunakan untuk menakutkan burung ni. Pak Johan built the scarecrow himself and made it as scary as possible. Okay, dia bina dia sendiri dan membuatkan ia menakutkan yang paling menakutkan yang dia boleh buat. He gave it enormous straw arms, okay, tangan yang besar that stretch out about 2 meters and big long legs. Okay, awak bayangkan, just imagine, the hand is big, tangan dia besar, terjulur keluar, 2 meters, 2 meter, and big long legs, dan kakinya yang besar dan panjang. The scariest thing about the scarecrow was its head. Yang paling menakutkanlah kepala dia, which was made of a huge earthen pot. Dibuat daripada pasu tanah ni. The scarecrow's face was so scary and ugly sangat menakutkan dan hodoh, that even he was scared to look at it. Walaupun Pak Johan yang buat, dia sendiri rasa takut tengok. It was very effective, sangat berkesan, scaring away every bird that tried to eat his vegetable. Menakutkan burung-burung yang cuba makan sayur-sayuran dia. The neighbouring farm owners, pemilik ladang bersebelahan, Man and Lan, were jealous of Pak Johan's success. Dia cemburu melihat kejayaan Pak Johan. One night, they stole his scarecrow and locked it in their house. Dia ambil scarecrow ni dan kunci dalam rumah dia. The next day, Pak Johan realised his scarecrow was missing. Esokannya Pak Johan pun sedar scarecrow dia hilang. And his green were eaten up. Sayur-sayuran dia pun dimakan. He was devastated. Dia sangat sedih dan kecewa. That night, the brothers had trouble sleeping. Malam tu adik-beradik tu ada masalah untuk tidur. They could not get out the image of the scarecrow's horrible face out of their minds. Dia orang tak dapat mengeluarkan bayangan menakutkan scarecrow tu keluar daripada fikiran mereka. Okay. Man mengeluarkan the scarecrow, smash it head with a hoe. Dia pecahkan dengan cangkul muka scarecrow tu, and buried it in their lawn. Okay, mereka tanam scarecrow tu di laman rumah mereka. At midnight, pada 1 tengah malam, they heard scratching and clawing sounds at their door. Okay, pada pintu tu dengar bunyi dicakar-cakar. Suddenly, the door burst open, terbuka dengan kuat, and a long straw arm snaked in. Satu tangan yang panjang menjulur masuk. The man froze in fear. Okay, mereka terkejut ketakutan. They looked in horror as the headless scarecrow body rose up. Mereka melihat pada scarecrow yang tiada kepala itu bangun. It caught Lan's neck. Ia tangkap leher si Lan. Lan shouted for help. But Man had already made his way onto the moonlit road. Lan menjerit minta tolong, tapi Man sudah pun lari di jalan. Man kept running. Man terus lari dan lari. He glanced back over his shoulder. Dia melihat menjeling pada di belakang bahu dia, and saw the scarecrow chasing after him, dan melihat scarecrow tu mengejar dia. It was getting closer and closer to him. Dia semakin dekat dan dekat. He noticed that the scarecrow had a new head. Dia perasan scarecrow ni ada kepala baru, and it looked like, dia kelihatan seperti ceritanya terhenti di sini, takut. Okay, it might have make you had a nightmare. Okay, just imagine the end of the story for yourself. Next, we go to the vocabulary book again by the textbook, page 5. Okay, still in page 5, you look at under the passage. Okay, number 1. Okay, first you need to match the word. Padankan perkataan in bold yang diterangkan, yang warna biru tadilah, the blue bold one, in the passage to the meaning given below. Okay, extremely large, sangat besar. Okay, perkataan yang ditype warna biru yang mana? Enormous. Number 2, to look quickly at somebody or something, untuk melihat dengan cepat pada seseorang atau sesuatu. Glance, dia menjeling sahaja. Number 3, to put out a long arm. Okay, untuk menjulur tangan keluar, stretch out. Okay. Number 4 until number 8 you have to do by your own. Awak kena buat sendiri. I have given you 3 words already. You have to put 5 more in your book by your own. The end. That's all from me. I hope everything will be good for you. I hope the best for you. I'm sorry if I have anything that so unclear to you, and feel free to leave a comment, and ask me anything. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Push the button like. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Bye-bye.